So in order for those baby Joshua trees, do humans need to plant them, or they just wild? They just kind of on their own.
So the
yucca moth.
well, the yucca moth is
then it
required
drops the
for the seeds. The seeds they'll either drop down and grow somewhere nearby, or rodents will move them around. That's the main spreader right now is small rodents.
Spread them around as in eat them, or
They'll eat them, or they'll move them somewhere. They'll kind of
and then like bury it for
bury them, and then maybe forget about them,
Yeah.
or not get them all.
Okay.
And so, a few, yeah.
Is that thing behind it? Is
Trying
that
to be
the
polite,
that
I said to eat
Kula cactus? Choya cactus.
Yeah.
It's really
Is it-
lots of holes, right, at the end, like when it's gone.
Oh yeah, when the dead ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have really neat. It's like a skeleton.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Choya cactus.
Yeah. Never want to touch those because they have little marks on them. And once they get in your skin, it's really hard to get them out unless you have pliers or tweezers. Good tweezers.
Okay.
Some people refer to them as jumping choya because occasionally the little balls at the end will pop off and kind of fly out at you.
And attack you.
We don't really know why exactly. It could be wind. It could be just the vibrations of the earth. You know, when you're walking by, it may cause a little bit of vibration and they pop off. We don't really know 100%.
Okay.
But it happens. And what happens is it'll stick into you or a coyote, and it'll travel wherever we or the coyote go. And then if it falls into the ground again, becomes loose, then another choya will grow from there.
Wow. So if this is, let's say, 40 inches, let's say. Let's say
20
it's
years.
20. This is 20 years old.
Yeah. On average. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's a little older then.
Yeah. It looks, well, I don't know, it's
Figure
almost about the same.
Oh,
yeah.
the height, because I'm thinking it's
I guess
thicker.
kind of
Yeah.
makes sense
Looks
that
thicker.
40 was 300-ish
It
years
looks
old.
healthier.
Right, there's more green.
Yeah.
Very difficult. And
Yeah.
and they're dangerous. They can poke your eye out. And they
Oh yeah, these things.
What could poke your eye out? Oh, these things?
Yeah, they're very
These things are
sharp,
very sharp.
Oh,
super sharp. really.
holy shoot.
Yeah, and they're very strong. So I mean, you could literally put your hand on there, and
Oh, impale. I have.
Yeah.
I
Nice.
had one on my feet
Yeah.
right there. It hurts like
occasionally you'll see lizards skewered on here.
Yeah.
Because birds will come, you know, they'll catch a lizard. Instead of killing it themselves, they'll just skewer it onto the
Oh,
land,
boy.
and then let it die, and then come back later and then eat it. It's much safer to kill something, let the plant kill it, because if you the bird tries to kill it, the bird could get injured.
Yeah.
So they can just grab a hold of it, and then drop it on here and skewer it on there. It's a lot safer way to kill its prey.
Native
Wow,
Americans use
smart.
it for fiber too. They could, but they had it as a big process to get that. It's very dangerous.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I ran my leg into it once.
Oh my
Yeah, so,
God. We've
one
all
of those-
backed into them out here.
And yeah,
those things
they don't look very strong, and but some of the bigger ones, oh yeah, slap my leg right into it. Ooh, that was not
Can we
good.
touch it?
Yeah, don't damage it, but yeah, just
It is very, very ah. Yeah, it's very tough.
Wow.
It's like a cactus.
so you can imagine a lizard being skewered on that thing.
Yes.
Oh, we might see one.
Yeah.